Fractions of shapes. Welcome to South Educare. We are starting Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3 Unit 6. Very important topics. We have already completed 1, 2, 3. This video we will start from number 4. Let's get started. Number 4 has mentioned divide these shapes into two equal parts. Count the number of small square in each shape. It's a very simple thing. In here, three shaded picture. So first we have to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I'm trying to solve everything step by step. So here is 22 square shape. Our target, count the number of small square in each shape. We already count, which is 22. Now we will divide this shape into two equal parts. So 22 divide 2, it means here is 11. So we can write answer 11. So similar thing, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 divide 2 will be 6. So here is 6. Next one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 divide 2, it will be 3. So our answer 3. Question 4, first part done. Now draw shapes that can be divided into three equal parts. And here is a tip, which is use what you know about multiples 3 and 5 to work out the number of squares that you will need. It means, suppose here is a divided into three equal parts. So 3 times 1 will be 3. 3 times 2 will be 6, 3 times will be 9. So this is the multiples of 3. Therefore, our target we will first draw, suppose 1, 2, 3. This is the first shape. Again 3, right? And again 3. Now look, it's a 3 by 3, 3 by 3. So if you want increase another 3, so it will become 3 by 4. So this is the three equal parts. Done. Next, draw shapes that can be divided into 5 equal parts. So we can take 5 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is 5. So again we can take another 2 grid. It means 5 times 2 is a 10, and 5 times 3 is a 15. Again 5 times 4 is a 20, and finally 5 times 5 is a 55. So we take 5 by n. And finally this is 5 times 5. So number 4 done. So first here is mentioned color two different ways to show 1/3 of this rectangular. First we have to count. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 6 times 2, here is 12. And mention 1/3. It means 12 divide 3. we will color 4 shape. So, and two different way we can do, like it's a 4, like this is 1/3 we colored, this is a what, 1/3. We also make different way, another like 1 2 3 4, here is 4, here is different, this is 1/3. Very simple, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Here is total 12 square. Once we make 1/3, it will become 4, right? Now color two different way to show 1/5 of this square. So 1/5, look, 1 2 3 4 5, again 1 2 3 4 5. It means 5 times 5, this here is 25 square shape, and we will make what, 1/5. It means it will happen like 25 by 5, it means 5. So we will draw 5 square. How? Look, two way we can do, like 1, here is a 1 to 5, this way we have to draw two different ways. So this is the one way, another one is like this way, 5 square color and 20 square not color, it means 1/5. Okay, 1/5, very simple, done. Next, here is mentioned color two different way to show 4/10 in a rectangular, 4/10. So first we have to count, here is how many square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10, it means here is a 20, times here is mentioned 4/10, 4/10, it means here is 20 divided 10 is a 2. So we have to draw how many? So 2 times 4, it will be 8. We will draw 8 shape. First 1 2 3 4, this one we can mark, here is total 8 square, done. And our target to make a two different way, another way we can do, like here is 1 to 8, 4 5 6 7 8. So here is all total 8 we are color. So number, this is number what, this is number 5, done. If you have any question for your child or anything, please don't hesitate, write a line in the comment section. Next video we will start from number 6. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't push your child. They need smart education, not by pressure. It's a reading for pleasure. Please subscribe my channel Sad Educare. Thank you.